Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from Code Revolution. So Aimogen is still discounted, check it in this video's description. So today I will show you a new update for Aimogen. It is allowing a similar experience like ChatGPT for reasoning. So you might be familiar with ChatGPT's 01 preview, and if we write a message here, it will think. So actually it will generate multiple sub prompts and multiple replies by itself, and it will feed these sub prompts to itself. So similar experience is possible also in Aimogen's chatbot, and it will generate reasoning or thinking, or allow the AI to think about subjects with this new extension. So to enable this, update the plugin to the latest version, go to AI Chatbot extensions and enable the AI generate reasoning extension. So here you will be able to select now models that you want to enable for reasoning, and you can select any model here, as any model will be allowed to be recalled by the AI for reasoning. So I suggest that you enable this, and to select the models which will be recalled for reasoning, you select some advanced models like GPT-4o or 01 preview. So these will be great models to be recalled by the AI for reasoning. So after you've done this, let's save settings, and also be sure to select the model which will be used in the AI. And here you can select also any model for reasoning. Just the only requirement is that they support tool calls. And unfortunately, the 01 preview and 01 mini models are not supporting tool calls, so they will not be able to use extensions also in Aimogen. However, you can select any other models from here, like GPT-4o mini, GPT-4, GPT-4o plain one, and let's select the GPT-4o mini this time, and let's save settings. So as you might note, I selected a cheap model, and in the extensions I select an expensive model for recalling, for the reasoning. This is why the cheap model will actually call the expensive model if it needs more data or more information. So note also that in the bot context, you will need to set more information to the bot, telling it that, hey, you can call the reasoning tool if you need more information on a subject. So I have here some default prompts, and you can think by recalling AI models which you have available in tools. You can call the tool multiple times in a row if needed. So I have added this prompt, and let's try it. And here we have in the chatbot, when you use extensions and enable the extension, be sure to also check the enable chatbot extensions in the chatbot preview from below. Be sure to check this, just to be sure that the extension is enabled here in the below chatbot. Okay, so now let's do some thinking and think about why the sky is blue. Okay, so we are instructing the AI to think about why the sky is blue, and actually now the processing time was longer because the AI now recalled the other model, the 01 model, for it to get additional information. So if it is instructed to think about something, or if it is not having enough information on a subject, it will recall the other AI model, and it will get additional information from it. So you can play with the prompts here, as everything depends on how this prompt will be set up. So you can instruct the AI that it should get additional information when it needs something or it does not know something, so you will need to add this here so it will be aware of this, what it should do when it should call the prompt. So one thing I need to improve here in the chatbot is I need some kind of visual representation of the thinking process, as the O1 models show here. So why is the sky blue? So let me show you. So I need something like this as a thinking indicator, piecing together. I need something like this also in the chatbot to allow users to see that, hey, now the AI is actually thinking, because right now this is not visible. As you can see, you cannot tell directly that, hey, the AI is now thinking about something and recalling other AI models, because this is happening only in the background at the moment. So I will be also getting some tests and seeing where I can put the a notification that, hey, right now the AI is thinking, and it generates further responses using AI recalling and thinking. So yeah, also it is reasoning maybe, so this is also a good word to say that it is reasoning. Okay, so here we have it. This is the new feature for the chatbot. Oh, one more thing that I have to say is that this will work if you use AI models. If you use AI assistants, this is also possible. However, in this case, go to AI assistants menu and click manage assistants, edit or create your assistant, and scroll down and click on generate AI generate reasoning checkbox. So this is important. Check this checkbox and the function will be set here for the assistant also, and it will also be able to reason. So now we have the AI generate reasoning enabled, and here we will see that we will be able to do stuff. Okay, so this is all for this update. You will be able to use this new feature in the latest update of Aimogen. If you have new ideas, suggestions, let me know in the comments of this video. Let me know what you think about this new update, as this is also a major new feature, as it brings reasoning support for the Aimogen's chatbot. And this is all for today. Like, share, subscribe, it's really appreciated. It helps me go forward. Until next time, this is all. Bye bye.